I know the light's bad, but these bearings actually feel and sound fine. The axial play up and down, I think, is because that nut, it's a nut with a catching washer, you know, a washer with bendable tabs that's holding that spline shaft, the spline gear in there, and I don't think it's tight enough, but the bearings sound fine. Let me know what you guys think, but they seem to run fine. There's a tiny bit of sideways play, but I think that could be more to do with the locking nut on the other side not pushing up hard.